Good day, sir. I am Mark Jason Develos, BS Marie 3rd year. The topic is all about the safety management on board. Question number 1. Elaborate the importance of the duty of the top management, master, chief engineer, and chief officer with regards to their. The captain master is the highest command of the vessel. Chief engineer, the ultimate responsible of operation of maintenance that has to do with any and all engineers, equipment throughout the internship, and supervisor and other engineer officer in engine writing with the department. Chief officer is the responsible for performing the vessel navigation watch duties like the entire cargo operation in the port, which include loading, uploading, and cargo planning. Question number 2. Elaborate the importance of ideal number of rest hours if each personnel on board a negative effect if it not followed. A minimum of 10 hours of rest in any 24 hours period in the first requirements about the rest hours is to have a minimum of 10 hours of rest in any 24 hours period and 77 hours in 7 days. These are STW requirements. If it not followed in individual duties on board, there are possible breaking rules in the ILO, the International Labor Organization. And the worst things, if it not followed, the duties are responsible, they are possible kick in workplace. Question number 3. Discuss the importance of familiarization of the ship part of department including the location of safety equipment upon evacuation. The most important of familiarization is the main objective of the marine safety awareness is to introduce the proper shipboard safety and emergency orientation for the ship operation. Navigating repeat disaster from occurring ship familiarization is the most important because it is help newly joined crew to know more the better about the vessel hull because is and one most important in the ship the main body of the ship below the main outside deck and the hull is the watertight body of the ship or crew. Question number 4. In connection with statement number 3, how this may affect the safety and personnel on board. Working at sea comes with certain dangerous seafarer must know how to keep themselves safe and how to handle in any emergency that may come up while on board before. Before going in board ship, training must require able. First, rise alarm and to handle basic knowledge and use to comfortable fire distinguish. Second is take immediate action upon the encountering an accident for other medical and emergency before seeking further medical. Third is close and open the fire, weather tight and watertight doors fitted in the particular ship other than those for hull openings. Last question. Discuss the safety management protocol. The safety management system, SMS, is the management recognized system planned and implemented by the shipping and marine environment. SMS is the important aspect of the international safety management. IMS code and details and improvement policies, practice and procedure that are the follow in order to ensure safe function and ship at the sea. The specific objective of the company safety and environment protection policy 2 provide the safe traffic in ship operation. Let's safeguard against the identifiers, provide us the safe working environment, prevent a human injury or loss of life, avoid damage improperly in environment, in particular the marine environment, continue to improve the safety management skill and shipboard and shore-based personnel, including preparing for emergency re- related boat and safety environment protection. In order to achieve the above objective, the company has adopted a safety and environment protection policy and serious ensure compliance with relevant mandatory rules of regulation, recognize the applicable code, guidelines, and standard recommended by the International Organization IMO, relevant flag state, classification, societies, and marine industry organization. Safety management plan is mainly responsibility of the owner of the vessel, of the personnel appointed by the owner. However, the ship master and the crew are the best to make MSS as they know the vessel inside out.